First, we whip out our tripod. And set up the legs to preferred height. Next, we can adjust the spirit level. We do this by twisting the knob underneath the camera. Then we take the base plate off of the tripod by unlocking it. We can then test pan and tilt lock. Next, we get our camera. We can use a coin to screw our camera to the base plate. Attach the base plate back to the tripod. Next, we attach our lens, removing the lens caps, matching red to red. Then we can pop in our batteries. After, we can pop in our SD card. Then we can turn on our camera. After, we can adjust our ISO and f-stop values to set the scene. First, we set up a light pole, locking the legs into place. Then we extend our light pole. Locking it into place. Lock the light onto the light pole. The light and intensity can change by twisting the knobs. This is measured in Kelvin. First, we attach the mic to the clip. Next, we plug in the XLR cable to the mic. We can then add a dampener to reduce noise. Then we can plug our XLR cable into the audio receiver.